In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Shopify PIN. A staff PIN, sometimes called a POS PIN, lets your team sign into Shopify POS and approve certain actions at the register. Here's how to find it and, if needed, set a new one, all from your Shopify admin. Start by signing into your Shopify admin using an account that has permission to manage staff. If you're the store owner, you're good to go. If you're staff, make sure your role includes access to view and edit users so you can open staff details. Once you're in the admin, look to the bottom left corner of the dashboard and click Settings. This opens the area where you manage store-wide options and staff controls. Inside Settings, open the User section. Depending on your version, this may appear as Users and Permissions, but it's the same place where all staff accounts are listed. From the list of staff, select the person whose PIN you want to set or retrieve. Each staff member has their own unique POS PIN, so it's important to choose the correct profile to keep access organized and secure. On the staff members page, scroll until you find the section labeled Staff PIN or POS PIN. This is where Shopify stores the code used at the point of sale to unlock the app and confirm certain actions. Here, you can either view and copy the existing 4-digit PIN or create a new one. If you're setting a new PIN, choose 4 digits that aren't easy to guess. Avoid simple sequences like Wol34 or repeated numbers like 000 and share it with the staff member securely. Some teams align it with the last 4 digits of an internal ID for easier memory, but be sure it's not publicly visible. If you see a prompt to save your changes, confirm before leaving the page so the new PIN takes effect right away. A couple of quick tips. If you don't see the staff PIN or POS PIN section, your account may not have the right permissions, or the user might not have POS access enabled. In that case, ask a store owner or admin to adjust permissions. Also remember, the POS PIN is different from the password used to sign in to the Shopify admin. The PIN is only for the POS app to unlock the register and approve actions like refunds or discounts. And that's it. You've logged in, opened settings, gone to users, selected the right staff account, found the staff PIN or POS PIN area, and either copied the current code or set a new 4-digit one. You're all set to manage staff access with confidence.